Okay.
Okay.
Sir, ganito po pagpalit ng model from Tarot to your Cessna plane. Okay? As you can see, it is in Tarot and it is in model 2. Number 2. Now to change the model, you have to press both of the mode. Like this.
Sabay.
Sabay. Okay?
Okay.
Lalayo ko ng konti para makita.
Sige.
Okay, go. And then you will see model 2. It's blinking. And you will change it to model 1 because Cessna is in model 1. So you have to press the data from plus to minus. Now it's in model 1. You have to press both again, the mode. And it's in Cessna mode already.
Okay,
Channel
balik to
2.
Tarot. Okay.
Balik to Tarot. Press both again. And then plus. It's in model 2 already and it's in Tarot mode. Sure, heli mode.
Okay.
Okay? Bye-bye!